U.S. Senator Al Franken appeared at Hennepin County Medical Center in downtown Minneapolis last Friday to promote his compounding drug safety bill. The bill, Pharmaceutical Compounding Quality and Accountability Act, was introduced on April 26 and will ensure the safety of compounded drugs and clarify state and federal responsibilities for regulating compounding manufacturers.
In this new legislation, anyone who does that, anyone who compounds large quantities of drugs and ships them to other states, they would have to become an outsourcing facility, and they would have to be regulated by the FDA and inspected by the FDA, so that hospitals like HCMC can rely on those compounded drugs to be safe.
The bill came in response to a 2012 fungal meningitis outbreak tied to the New England Compounding Center. 61 Americans died and 749 became sick, including 12 in Minnesota.
That was basically a drug manufacturer posing as a pharmaceutical and compounding these drugs, and so they kind of fell between the cracks and weren't being regulated by the FDA.
Following the tour, Sen Franken hosted a Q&A session in the hospital auditorium with Minnesota pharmaceutical and healthcare leaders.
We're here to meet and actually celebrate with Senator Franken, who's been very instrumental in supporting pharmacy issues over the years, and particularly those of compounding and protecting the abilities of pharmacists to continue this patient care activity while still protecting the public. So what Senator Franken has done is taken a very complicated issue and boiled it down and really worked with pharmacy, the profession of pharmacy, and the university a lot to understand what compounding is and to understand that there's a difference between compounding and manufacturing.
The bill will draw a line between traditional compounding, which would be regulated primarily by state boards of pharmacy, and compounding manufacture, which would be regulated by FDA.